Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again today. We got the Bora back from my friend Sergey. He did an amazing job on the brakes and I'm really thankful that he would help me out with this. We found out that the car needs new wheel bearings, so let's get these ordered and maybe a few more odds and ends, and it should be ready for the summer. Right now it seems a bit boring because it's back to stock lights and legal wheels and stuff, but that is due to the road inspection. I got my roof rails back. My friend painted these for me. These turned out really nice. It's matte silver. Looks kind of white on the camera, but in person it looks really good. So today we're gonna do the front wheel bearings on this, and I want to use my lift for that, so I have to get the Lancia off that and get the lift under the Bora, so that's gonna be a fun task. So I decided to move the lift out from the car and let the car sit on jack stands and it's still not rolling. And then I'm gonna move the Bora in front and push the lift out here and get the Bora up on there. So yeah, that's the new plan. With the car up in the air, we can actually see the brake upgrade. Nice new everything. Painted calipers as we did in the previous episode. As well as the front, 312mm. Looks really good with the drilled Zimmerman disc, so yeah. This play in the wheel is what we're gonna see if we can fix with the new wheel bearings. Great, so I thought I had hit record, but apparently it didn't, so all of this has gone off. Yeah, you were supposed to see that, but anyway, it's been disassembled and assembled so many times that it's not really a big issue. One tip I have is that for these kinds of shocks, I have taken out the bolt here. I have these special tools. They go on a normal socket, and then they go into the back, and then they twist them half or a quarter of a turn, and it will open this ridge up in behind. So definitely worth the money. So I have the upright sitting in my hydraulic press now, and I found out that a 28 and a spark plug socket should hopefully press the hub out of the bearing. With the hub out of the upright, there is this locking ring that I need to remove, and then I can press the bearing out the same way. Lock ring has been removed, set back up in the hydraulic press with these awesome sleeves. I'm borrowing these from a friend, but I should definitely get my own sets at some point. Very easy. Find a sleeve big enough that it supports the upright without touching the inner race of the bearing. Then finding an inner sleeve that can press the race on the bearing. So yeah, bearings out. Inside looks alright. Definitely helps if you listen to your own advice and find something that doesn't bite the bearing up. So yeah, that's why I was struggling. But it's out, and I think I'm gonna clean this one up a bit before I push the new one in. So a small spanner in the works. I got the inner race off the hub and found out that it's quite damaged underneath. It also had some damage up here at the splines, so I'm gonna get ordered some new ones. So yeah, this is where we have to end it. So since I'm gonna wait for the hubs to arrive, I think they will be here either tomorrow or Friday. So I have cleaned down and painted my uprights. Sadly, I couldn't get the ABS sensors out without damaging them, so I just masked them up, and they should hopefully survive that. So that's how it goes with old cars. Sometimes you find faults that you didn't expect, and you have to wait for more parts. So the Bora is gonna live on the lift for a few days until I get the new hubs, and then we will get it buttoned up and ready to meet the summer. So thank you all for watching, and hope you see you in the next one. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.